Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is John and today I'm like so happy to finally film again. I haven't filmed a video for a few days now and I really missed it. So yeah, here I am again. I did receive a amazing box and I really wanted to unbox this guys with you because why not share this with you, my friends. I was like in contact with a brand from San Diego, California, and they are called Coola. If you haven't heard them already, they do a lot of sun care products like sunscreen and like BB creams with SPF and stuff like that, and they're really high end, so they sell a lot of like expensive things. So I'm like really excited about these products because I do not have a Coola product just yet. And the best way to get Coola from Germany is probably about Niche Beauty or Niche Beauty. I don't know if you can read this. It's a online store. They sell several amazing beauty brands, and so yeah, this was like the collab. Niche Beauty did send me the Coola products because Coola wanted to send me these, but it would have taken such a long time. Niche Beauty did send me this package full with Coola products. They let me choose one and I couldn't pick one, so I just said that I wanted to try like 2 products so they can like choose one of these products to send me. So I don't know what's in here just yet, so yep, if you want to see what's in here, if you want to see like the review of this, then just keep watching. So I will unbox this box right here with you guys without any makeup on, just because I wanted to live test these products with you guys. So I think this box looks like so cute. It's all classy, just like almost plain black. Ooh, okay, so it's pretty nice wrapped. So we'll try to not ruin it. Okay, that's cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so they did. Whoa! They actually sent me both of the products I chose. That's so nice of them. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Like, honestly, like, these were the 2 things that I really wanted to test. One is like this like tinted moisturizer, I guess. Yes, almost. Well, it's a BB cream. And I really wanted to test this one just because I've seen a review on it and I was speechless. I really wanted to know how this is going to work with my skin because I have such dry skin and it looked just amazing, so I really wanted to test this, so I picked this one. I'm so glad they sent me both of the things. The other one is a travel set, by the way, which is so handy because it comes with 4 different items, and that's just amazing to test and to try out because I do never like completely finish like a bottle with, I don't know, sunscreen or something like that in there. So I think this is like so handy, and the bag is so cute as well. And this feels like heavy, and the quality is amazing, you guys. Okay, it feels not velvet, but it feels like such high quality. This is vegan, by the way. That's cool. Okay, all these products are cruelty free. Right? Well, all these products are cruelty free, by the way. That's incredible. And yep, that's it for the box now. And that is the travel kit. I cannot wait to open this. It comes like with a mineral lip plugs, a mineral face SPF 30 matte tint. Oh, this lip plugs is SPF 30 by the way as well. Then a radical recovery after sun lotion. Oh, that's cool. And a mineral sport SPF 30 citrus mimosa. Okay, so this is cruelty free as well, as I said, and the bag is so cute. Oh yes! It's got like the Coola label on as well. That's cute. Feels amazing, and this is handy as well to carry around, I guess. Especially for the summertime, obviously. So yeah, I will just cut this off so I can open it. So excited about this, you guys. So I will open this one first because like the BB cream I will test, of course. So, okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, so I will just put out one and then the other one and the other one and so on and so on. So this is the Mineral Sunscreen Citrus Mimosa Moisturizer, Organic Sun Care and Plant Protection. Okay, that's cool. SPF 30 as well, certified organic. Okay, this is cool. I don't really know if I like should read the ingredients or something out. Oh, that is amazing. It says water resistant 80 minutes. Oh, that is cool, you know. Well, it says protect and boost your skin's defense against aging caused by the sun with this 80 minutes water resistant farm to face source broad spectrum SPF 30 mineral sunscreen. This high performance and non-greasy mineral lotion has a natural citrus mimosa scent and contains 70%, and this is like with oil from Hawaii's price kukui, rich in omega-3 and 6 and so on and so on, and so much vitamin in here. Even avocado oil. Okay, that sounds incredible. I really want to smell this right now because citrus is like so fresh. So okay, it's still like closed, but I'm going to open it anyway just because I am like the most curious person ever. Oh yes, you guys. Oh my gosh, it smells like so fresh. I will put a little bit of this on the back of my hand just to see if it's like smooth. Okay, this is like fresh. Yes. Oh my gosh, it feels amazing. It goes in so well. It looks glowy as well. Like, this is so cool. Okay, so that is that. The next thing is just the Mineral Sunscreen Unscented Matte Tint. Oh, it's a BB cream as well. That is cool. So I got two BB creams now. That's amazing because I already know that the other one is like more on the radiant and like dewy side, and this one has a matte finish, so that's going to be perfect for hot summer days because I do have dry skin, but during the summer I do have like not oily but sweaty parts on my nose and on my forehead as well, so this is going to be perfect, I guess. This has such amazing vitamins in here as well. That's so cool. I will try this one out as well. So just like here. Oh, it feels soft. It feels so soft, you guys. And it is really unscented, yes. It feels soft and it looks matte, so it's going to be perfect for the summertime. I'm like so happy now that this travel kit included a BB cream as well, because that's perfect for summer. Oh my gosh, I'm like so ready already. Ready already. Okay. I will just wipe this off my hand now because I don't know if I'm going to swatch something else as well. Like swatch? Does this even count as swatching? Because I cannot properly see it. Well, the next thing is huge. Like, this is a travel size, really? Okay, so this is the Radical Recovery After Sun Lotion. Replenishes, renews and moisturizes. This sounds like me, you guys. Like, this is just for me, like perfect. Apply liberally and frequently after sun exposure. Perfect for both face and body. I've had something like that before, not from Coola obviously, because these products are the first Coola products I am trying out. But I've had one before and I couldn't use it on my face, only on my body, because it just felt so weird on my face. So I really hope this is going to work for me, and yeah, I'm pretty sure it will. The package looks so cool, you guys. All of these like Coola products look like so amazing. That is the most satisfying part ever, right? Isn't it? It is. So I'm going to try that out. Just a little bit of it. I don't really want to like put too much on my hand because I don't want to waste it, you know? These products are like such expensive. Okay, this feels... Oh gosh, I'm speechless, as you can see. This feels so moisturizing. And the scent smells like so fresh as well, not like as citrusy as the what was it again? As the sunscreen moisturizer. It smells like almost as fresh as it just smells different. I don't know, I cannot really describe it, but it smells amazing and it feels so soft. Okay, so I don't know why I'm always like showing you guys the back of my hand, because I know that you can't really see a thing, but it smells good, it feels amazing. I will of course give you guys like a review of this when I did test this out, when the sun is finally back here in Germany. But yeah, I think so far I love these products a lot. Oh, and I almost forgot something. Here, you guys, I almost forgot it, even though I'm like so excited about this. Okay, it's like so nicely wrapped. Okay. Really? Oh my gosh. This looks great. And it is like so heavy, holy moly. Tinted mineral lip lacks. Broad spectrum SPF 30 lip balm sunscreen, water resistant 40 minutes. Okay, that is so cool. So it's this nude tinted baby right here. And I will test this, of course. Oh yeah, it's nude, as the name says. Oh, this is so me. This is like so pretty, you guys. Yes, and the package, oh, it's like not like plastic, it's like, I think, metal. And oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful. I'm going to give you guys a close-up of all of these products. Okay, and the last thing is this baby right here. So it's SPF, well, it's SPF 30 as well. It's the Coola light to medium organic BB cream. That's amazing. I wanted the light to medium one because I have light to medium skin, if that makes any kind of sense. Well, it comes in two shades. The other one is medium to dark, which would be obviously too dark for me. So yep, the package, as I said, it feels incredible. So yeah. Oh, this is so cool as well. High Protect SPF 30, water resistant 80 minutes as well. So I will just open this now. Don't really want to damage it. Okay, okay. Wait. It's beautiful, isn't it? Okay, it's like so beautiful, you guys. So the bottle is glass, obviously. And I'm going to repeat myself, but it's vegan and it's cruelty free, and that's incredible. So I will just put this on my finger now. It comes with a pump, which is so handy. Okay. And I will just put that on my skin now. I think that's enough for the first try. It smells so fresh. Like all these scents just totally remind me of summer. And it's so dewy and glowy. I will put a little bit of this on my forehead as well. My chin maybe. My nose. A little bit. Oh, you guys, I love the smell of it. So that's what it looks like. I think during the summertime this is going to be perfect, my go-to product. I would just pop on like a little bit of mascara and do my eyebrows a little bit, like fill these in a little. And I think this lip tint is so cute as well, because I just wanted to say put a little bit of lip gloss or something on as well. But this lip tint is like amazing. It's nude, like who doesn't love a good nude? Plus it feels moisturizing, you guys. First when I applied it I was like, this feels a little dry, but now it's so smooth and it feels just amazing and I feel like comfortable wearing it. And yeah, maybe put a little bit of concealer on these pimples. Thank you so much for watching this video with me, and also thank you so much for Coola and for Niche Beauty. I don't know if it's Niche or Niche Beauty. Well, thank you so much for sending me these products to test out, and I really cannot wait to play with them, just because like the first impression is unbelievable. It's incredible. All of these products go on so well and are so smooth and moisturizing, so I'm really excited about this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, then give this video a big thumbs up, please. That will make me so happy. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't been subscribed already. And click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, I guess. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!